Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix media not downloading on Telegram. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your internet connection. So what you want to do is try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to give it that quick refresh. Or if that doesn't work, try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode and also ensure that VPN is always turned off. The other thing you want to try to do is force close your Telegram application and reopen it. If that also doesn't work, then try to clear your cache by simply going ahead and opening your Telegram, going into settings, scrolling down to data and storage, and then go to storage usage and tap on clear entire cache. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, try to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.